Get this extra amazing game for free today. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, support me in Fortnite and item shop in Epic Games Store. Use code UFO187 in store. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your Epic Games Store today like me. And you will see this first. Move here on Hogwarts Legacy and you will see it's free game. Go here on Get. And also get back bling in Fortnite for free. You will see this first, go here get it free, and go here get. Check this and go place order. And you will see thanks for your order. And get this extra amazing Hogwarts Legacy for free today. How to get backlink? Just install Fortnite on Epic Games Store. After login, you will get this backlink for free. And that's it all guys for this cool video how to get Hogwarts Legacy game and how to get Chocolate Frog backlink in Fortnite. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends.